Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustonShow.com. If you got credit disputes on your credit report, so let's say you had a late payment a year and a half ago on a credit card and you dispute it. Let's say the balance is $1,500 on that credit card. When you dispute that trade line, it's covering it up. The credit bureau doesn't recognize it, so your score is falsely higher. Desktop underwriter will pick it up as not even there, so you might get an approval. Now, when an underwriter sees that dispute, they're going to give you options. They're going to say, A, remove that dispute, because the rule says on FHA, if it's over $1,000 and less than 2 years old, that dispute has to be removed. Or B, they'll let you downgrade to a manual underwrite. Now, if you just don't want to remove the dispute because other things maybe have changed in your credit profile, or that dispute's going to drop your credit score so far down that you're going to get worse pricing or not eligible for the program, you're available to take what's called a manual underwrite option. So a manual underwrite will allow for one credit card late in the last 24 months. If that's your only late, then we can continue on with the manual underwrite as long as you meet the manual underwriting guidelines. You can't go over 50 DTI in the back end no matter what. Can't go over 40 on the front end no matter what. Hopefully you've got money in the bank. Hopefully you're staying within the reason of where you're paying rent. Maybe you got some additional income we're not using to qualify. These are some factors that'll let you to go manual underwriting. So if manual underwriting is an option, we can save a lot of time and headaches. Leave the dispute on there, downgrade to a manual. Doesn't change pricing. It just requires more compensating factors. So that's how we handle disputes on a credit report. I tend to try to remove those before I even start the process, but sometimes I get caught and I miss one, and that's how we would handle it. Just downgrade to a manual. If you're not over the DTI restrictions, we're fine. As long as you get the compensating factors, we're fine. It's no different. It's just called the manual underwrite. It doesn't go down on paper anywhere that's manual. It's not like it affects anything for you in the future. So that's how we handle it. Give me a call if you have any questions on disputes on your credit report. I'm a specialist of these disputes. 630-915-7550. Thanks.